Hello, I'm Sue Story. I'm one of the inspectors with the Sports Ground Safety Authority. We work in partnership with the Emergency Planning College to deliver the Public Safety at Sports and Events course. This partnership has run for many years and has been very successful in developing this course. Our input is essentially in three areas on the course. We're able to provide background information on guidance and legislation and so on. We have a section on hot topics, and we look at as an interactive session as part of the course. For the background part of the course, we really focus on what the legislative framework and the guidance framework is that supports this area of work. So we'll be looking at safety certification and how to use some of the guidance documents which we as Safety at Sports Ground Authority are authors of. Guide to Safety at Sports Grounds, known as the Green Guide, Safety Management, which is known as the Pink Guide, and other documents such as Accessible Stadia and so on. We look at some of these documents and try and help people understand how they can best use these documents back in their workplace. The second area is the hot topics. This is the section on the course where we look at what is absolutely current within Safety at Sports Ground. So some of the things that have been in the news recently, or that government is looking at possible changes to policies and legislations, or have been asked questions about things. And we'll explore some of those with the delegates on the course to help tease out what are the real issues that they're facing at the moment. And then the third area is where we have a really interesting interactive session where we'll look at scenarios. So a particular issue has arisen in a sports ground, and we'll discuss what this means and where people can get help, advice, guidance, and how they can use the legislation to their best advantage to try and solve some of these scenarios. Overall, it's a really interesting course.